वह टहलते समय अपने दिन की योजना बनाता है। He plans his day while walking. He plans his day while walking. व्यस्त दिनचर्या के बावजूद मैं टहलना नहीं छोड़ता। Despite a busy schedule, I never skip walking. Despite a busy schedule, I never skip walking. मैंने अपनी सुबह की दिनचर्या में पढ़ाई जोड़ ली है। I have added study time to my morning routine. I have added study time to my morning routine. वह रात को टहलते समय फ़ोन पर बातें करता है। He talks on the phone while walking at night. He talks on the phone while walking at night. दिन की शुरुआत व्यायाम से होनी चाहिए। The day should begin with exercise. The day should begin with exercise. उसने सुबह जल्दी उठना शुरू कर दिया है। He has started waking up early in the morning. He has started waking up early in the morning. मेरी आदत है रात को गर्म दूध पीने की। I have a habit of drinking warm milk at night. I have a habit of drinking warm milk at night. छत पर चलने से दिमाग शांत होता है। Walking on the terrace calms the mind. Walking on the terrace calms the mind. वह नाश्ते से पहले टहलता है। He walks before breakfast. He walks before breakfast. हमें हर दिन थोड़ा व्यायाम करना चाहिए। We should exercise a little every day. We should exercise a little every day. मैं सुबह थोड़ा ध्यान भी करता हूँ। I meditate a little in the morning too. I meditate a little in the morning too. उसने अपनी सुबह की आदतों में बदलाव किया। He changed his morning habits. He changed his morning habits. टहलने से अच्छी नींद आती है। Walking helps in getting better sleep. Walking helps in getting better sleep. रात को देर तक जागना ठीक नहीं है। Staying up late at night is not good. Staying up late at night is not good. मुझे अपनी दिनचर्या बदलनी है। I need to change my routine. I need to change my routine. वह सुबह उठते ही पानी पीता है। He drinks water right after waking up. He drinks water right after waking up. छत पर टहलना बहुत सुकून देता है। Walking on the terrace is very relaxing. Walking on the terrace is very relaxing. सुबह की शुरुआत व्यायाम से करना अच्छा होता है। It's good to start the morning with exercise. It is good to start the morning with exercise. रात का खाना हल्का होना चाहिए। Dinner should be light. Dinner should be light. टहलते समय ठंडी हवा अच्छी लगती है। Cool breeze feels good while walking. Cool breeze feels good while walking. मेरी आदत है कि मैं सुबह जल्दी नहाता हूँ। It's my habit to take a bath early in the morning. It's my habit to take a bath early in the morning. वह रात के खाने के बाद पार्क में जाता है। He goes to the park after dinner. He goes to the park after dinner. मैं रोजाना व्यायाम करने की कोशिश करता हूँ। I try to exercise daily. I try to exercise daily. टहलना स्वास्थ्य के लिए अच्छा होता है. Walking is good for health. Walking is good for health. उसने सुबह दौड़ने का वादा किया. He promised to go running in the morning. He promised to go running in the morning. रात को सोने से पहले किताब पढ़ता हूँ. I read a book before going to sleep. I read a book before going to sleep. जब धूप बहुत तेज हो तब बाहर काम ना करें. Don't work outside when the sun is too harsh. Do not work outside when the sun is too harsh. गर्मियों के तेज धूप में पौधे जल्दी मुरझा जाते हैं. In the harsh summer sun, plants wither quickly. In the harsh summer sun, plants wither quickly. पौधों को सूखने से बचाना ज़रूरी है. It's important to prevent plants from drying out. It's important to prevent plants from drying out. धूप में ज़्यादा देर काम करना स्वास्थ्य के लिए हानिकारक है. Working too long in the sun is harmful to health. Working too long in the sun is harmful to health. गर्मियों में पौधों के लिए सुबह का पानी सबसे अच्छा होता है. Morning watering is best for plants during summer. Morning watering is best for plants during summer. छाँव में आकर उसने राहत महसूस की. He felt relief after coming into the shade. He felt relief after coming into the shade. तेज धूप में चलना थका देने वाला होता है. Walking in strong sunlight is tiring. Walking in strong sunlight is tiring. पौधों को पोषण देने के लिए खाद डालनी चाहिए. Fertilizer should be added to nourish the plants. Fertilizer should be added to nourish the plants. गर्मी के दिनों में धूप से बचना चाहिए. You should avoid the sun during summer days. You should avoid the sun during summer days. सूरज बहुत तेज चमक रहा था. The sun was shining very brightly. The sun was shining very brightly. गर्मी में बाहर खेलने से थकान जल्दी हो जाती है. Playing outside in summer makes you tired quickly. Playing outside in summer makes you tired quickly. पौधे गर्मी में झुलस सकते हैं. Plants can scorch in summer. Plants can scorch in summer. धूप में बाहर जाना थका देने वाला था. Going out in the sun was exhausting. Going out in the sun was exhausting. छाँव में रुकना धूप से बेहतर है. Staying in the shade is better than being in the sun. Staying in the shade is better than being in the sun. हमें धूप में पौधों को बचाने के लिए उपाय करने चाहिए. We should take measures to protect plants from the sun. We should take measures to protect plants from the sun. वह गर्मी में भी बगीचों का ध्यान रखता है. He takes care of the garden even in the heat. He takes care of the garden even in the heat. हमने रात के भोजन के बाद छत पर टहला. We took a walk on the terrace after dinner. We took a walk on the terrace after dinner. मेरी सुबह की दिनचर्या में एक छोटी सी कसरत भी शामिल है. A short workout is also part of my morning routine. A short workout is also part of my morning routine. मैं रोज़ सुबह जल्दी उठता हूँ. I wake up early every morning. I wake up early every morning. वह नाश्ते के बाद अखबार पढ़ता है. He reads the newspaper after breakfast. He reads the newspaper after breakfast. मैंने अपनी दिनचर्या में ध्यान भी जोड़ा है. I have also added meditation to my routine. I have also added meditation to my routine. हम अक्सर रात को छत पर बैठते हैं. We often sit on the terrace at night. We often sit on the terrace at night. वह नाश्ते में सिर्फ फल खाता है. He eats only fruits for breakfast. He eats only fruits for breakfast. मुझे सुबह की ताज़ी हवा बहुत पसंद है. I love the fresh morning air. I love the fresh morning air. वह रोज़ सुबह दौड़ने जाता है. He goes jogging every morning. He goes jogging every morning. मैंने रात को टहलना शुरू कर दिया है. I have started walking at night. I have started walking at night. मेरी दिनचर्या बहुत व्यस्त रहती है. My daily routine is very busy. My daily routine is very busy. वह नहाने के बाद पूजा करता है. He prays after bathing. He prays after bathing. मेरी आदत है सुबह चाय पीने की. I have a habit of drinking tea in the morning. I have a habit of drinking tea in the morning. मुझे रात को मीठा खाने की आदत है. I have a habit of eating sweets at night. I have a habit of eating sweets at night. वह रात को टहलते समय गाना सुनता है. He listens to song while walking at night. He listens to songs while walking at night. मेरी दिनचर्या बहुत साधारण है. My daily routine is very simple. My daily routine is very simple. टहलने के बाद मैं थोड़ा स्ट्रेचिंग करता हूँ. I do some stretching after walking. I do some stretching after walking. रात को हल्की सैर पाचन में मदद करती है. A light walk at night helps in digestion. A light walk at night helps in digestion. मेरी आदत है कि मैं हर दिन कुछ नया सीखता हूँ. It's my habit to learn something new every day. It's my habit to learn something new every day. वह नाश्ते के साथ जूस पीता है. He drinks juice with breakfast. He drinks juice with breakfast. मैं दिन भर ऊर्जावान महसूस करता हूँ जब मैं व्यायाम करता हूँ. I feel energetic all day when I exercise. I feel energetic all day when I exercise. दिनचर्या में नियमितता जरूरी है. Consistency is important in routine. Consistency is important in routine. सुबह ताज़ी हवा लेना फ़ायदेमंद होता है. Breathing fresh air in the morning is beneficial. Breathing fresh air in the morning is beneficial. So friends, ये था हमारा आज का वीडियो. If you like this video and learn something new from this video or this channel, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel English Succeed Pro. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you everyone.